Hello, this is the life cycle strategy plan for Kazano. Manufactured by Takeda Pharmaceuticals, includes alogliptin and metformin hydrochloride. This is a market section, and I'm Jaffa Callan. To begin with, we'll look at the global diabetes population. Currently, over 370 million people suffer from diabetes across the globe, which is expected to exceed to over 550 million by 2030. As of now, the age bracket of 40 to 59 years is the most affected diabetes population, followed by the age group of 60 to 79 years. However, the age group of 60 to 79 years is expected to account for the highest number of diabetes patients by 2030. Next, we look at the global diabetes market. The global diabetes devices and drugs market was worth about $50.8 billion in 2011 and is expected to reach about $100 billion in 2018, growing at an average rate of 9.9% from 2011 to 2018. The major products in this market consist of glucose monitors, glucose monitoring systems, test strips, lancets, syringes, insulin, and anti-diabetic drugs. The oral hypoglycemic agents are among the most revenue-generating products. Next, we look at the global diabetes market trends and future forecast. The global insulin market is around $17 billion, staggering figure. The DPP-4 inhibitors is predicted to be more than a $5 billion market by 2015. GLP-1 agonist market is forecasted to cross $6 billion mark by 2015. Januvia is proving a blockbuster of DPP-4 inhibitors segment, expected to be more than $4 billion by 2017. The Japanese insulin market crossed the $1 billion mark in 2010, and by 2025 it is expected that India, China, and the US will be the first, second, and third most diabetic populous countries. Now, here is a map of prevalence of diabetes country-wise. If you see, it is the percentage shown of diabetes prevalent in 20 to 79 years age bracket. The 20 to 79 years age group is a reference since it is the age group covered by most studies. For most countries, there is little or no prevalence info about people with diabetes below 20 or above 80 years. Next, we look at the competitive landscape. Research finds that Takeda is one of the pharmaceutical giants dominating the global diabetes therapeutics market. The competitive landscape in the market is set to change due to the success of recent launches and the potential success of new drugs launched by Takeda besides Kazano, namely Nesina and Osaini. The market will also be impacted by the decline in the sales of leading products such as GlaxoSmithKline's Avandia. I'm sure you're aware of the global diabetes top players. The key players in the industry are Bayer, Merck, Pfizer, GlaxoSmithKline, Novo Nordisk, Roche, Sanofi, not to mention Takeda itself. Merck's Januvia is one of the blockbuster drugs. Bayer's blood glucose monitoring systems are quite popular in Europe. They have a range of them, namely Contour, Breeze, Glucofax. Sanofi's Lantus is available in 120 countries worldwide. Next, we look at the global burden. Unfortunately, the number of people with type 2 diabetes is increasing in every country. 80% of people with diabetes live in low and middle income countries. goes to show the correlation between diabetes and poverty. And 78,000 children develop type 1 diabetes every year. That's a sorry situation. And lastly, we look at the healthcare expenditures. The North America and Caribbean region spent an estimated $223 billion, or 48% of the global healthcare expenditures, for diabetes in 2011. The Europe region spent about half that amount at $130 billion. In comparison, the Western Pacific region spent only $72 billion on diabetes healthcare, despite having the largest number of people with diabetes. And finally, Southeast Asia and Africa regions spent less than 1% in 2011. That's it. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.